Hey everybody, welcome to the STEM Changing Verbs introduction video. This week we're going to be looking a little bit more in-depthly at a grammar topic that you didn't really look at last year. It can be confusing, so please make sure that you pause the video, re-watch the video, and go back if you missed something, because it's going to be a concept that we use for the rest of the year. So please make sure that if you have questions about what we're doing this week, that you definitely ask your teacher. To start, we're going to go back and do a quick recap of verbs in general. So all verbs have an infinitive form. And the infinitive form of the verb is the to form of the verb. For example, hablar means to speak. There are three infinitive endings, and those are AR, ER, and IR. Those are all the infinitive endings, and those mean to. So now let's take a look at some verb conjugation. Remember that verb conjugation is when we change the ending of the verb based on who is doing the action. Remember that our different infinitive endings conjugate differently. An AR verb conjugates different from an ER verb, which conjugates different from an IR. Each ending changes based on the pronoun that's doing the action. Remember, our pronouns are yo, I, tu, which means you, él, which means he, ella, which means she. Nosotros means we, ustedes means you all, and ellos and ellas both mean they. The yo form of an AR verb ends in O. The tu form of an AR verb is AS. El or ella is a. Nosotros, amos. Ustedes and ellos and ellas are an. For ER verbs, the yo form is O. The tu form is es, es. El and ella is e. Nosotros, hemos. Ustedes and ellos, ellas, en. And now for the IR form, it's exactly the same as the ER form, except the nosotros form is hemos, not hemos. When we talk about stem change verbs, the most important thing is to discover what is the stem of a verb. Well, the stem of a verb is the part before the infinitive ending, the AR, ER, IR. A stem change has two steps. Step 1, we change the stem of the verb, and step 2, we change the ending of the verb. Remember that the nosotros form does not change. Remember, nosotros, no change. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have an O to UE stem change verb. The IR is the infinitive suffix, but DORM, dorm, that's the stem. O to UE stem change is going to see that O in dormir change to UE. What does that look like? Let's look at the yo form. The first step is to change the O to UE, and then the second step is to drop the IR and make it an O, because O is the yo ending for IR verbs. You'll see I have two steps highlighted. In purple, the UE, the O became a UE, and then in green, the IR became an O. For the to form, again, same type of change, except now we're going to use the to ending, which is ES. So O becomes UE, and the IR changes to ES. Tu duermes means you sleep. The L and ella form, if I wanted to say he or she sleeps, we would use duerme. The O becomes UE, the IR changes to E. The nosotros form, we said nosotros, no change. So when I say that it's no change, I mean the stem stays the same, which would be dormimos. I still conjugate the ending, but the stem has no change for the nosotros. The ustedes, which means you all, would be duermen, and the ellos, ellas, for they, would also be duermen. Here are some more O to UE stem change verbs. Colgar means to hang up. Contar, to count. Costar, to cost. Devolver, to return. Dormir, to sleep. Encontrar, to find. Mover, to move. Poder, to be able to. Recordar, to remember. Remover, to remove. And volar, to fly. All of these are O to UE stem change verbs. So pause the video and complete the chart using the examples provided. Once you've filled out the chart, unpause the video and check your answers. Let's see how you did. Dormir we've already done together. The O becomes a UE, and then I drop the IR, putting the correct ending for the verb. So the yo form is duermo, tu duermes, él or ella duerme, nosotros, no change, dormimos. And then ustedes duermen, and ellos or ellas duermen. Mover is an ER verb. Again, O to UE stem change. Muevo is I move. Mueves, you move. Él or ella mueve, he or she moves. Nosotros movimos, because there's no change, which means we move. Ustedes mueven, you all move. And ellos or ellas mueven, they move. Recordar is an AR stem change verb. Yo recuerdo, I remember. Tu recordar is an AR verb, but also O to UE. Yo recuerdo is I remember. Tu recuerdas is you remember. Él or ella recuerda is he or she remembers. Nosotros recordamos. Notice there's no change. We remember. Ustedes recuerdan. You all remember. And ellos or ellas recuerdan. They remember. Volar means to fly. Yo vuelo, I fly. Tu vuelas, you fly. Él or ella vuela, he or she flies. Nosotros, no change. Volamos, we fly. Ustedes, you all fly. Vuelan. Ellos or ellas vuelan, they fly. Poder, to be able to. Again, O to UE stem change. Yo puedo, I can. Tu puedes, you can. Él or ella puede, he or she can. Nosotros, no change. Nosotros podemos, we can. Ustedes pueden. Ustedes pueden, you all can. And ellos or ellas pueden, they can. Now let's look at some E to IE stem changers. Here we have empezar for an example, which means to start. Yo empiezo means I start. Tu empiezas, you start. Él or ella, he or she starts. Nosotros, no change. Empezamos. Ustedes empiezan. Ustedes empiezan. You all start. And ellos or ellas empiezan. They start. Here is some more E to IE stem change verbs. Cerrar means to close. Comenzar means to start or begin, and empezar means to start or begin. Entender means to understand. Pensar means to think. Recomendar means to recommend. Sentir means to sit. Sugerir means to suggest. Tener means to have. And venir means to come. Again, here's a chart for you to do some practice on your own. Pause the video, and once you have the chart completed with your E to IE stem changes, unpause the video and check your work. Okay, let's see how you did. Cerrar means to close. It's an E to IE stem change and an AR verb.
Start in 1 minute.
And an AR verb. In the yo form, it's cierro, I close. Tu cierras, you close. Él or ella cierra. Nosotros cerramos. Again, no change. Ustedes cierran, and ellos or ellas cierran. Empezar we did together. Empiezo means I start. Tu empiezas, you start. Él or ella empieza, he or she starts. Nosotros empezamos, we start. Again, nosotros, no change. Ustedes empiezan, you all start. And ellos or ellas empiezan, they start. Pensar means to think. To say I think, it would be pienso. Tú piensas is you think. Él or ella is piensa. Nosotros, again, no change. We think is pensamos. Ustedes, you all think, is piensan. And ellos or ellas, piensan, is they think. Tener, we have done since 7th grade. It means to have. Tengo is an irregular go verb. The ending ends in go, but the tu form follows the normal E to IE pattern. Tienes, tiene. Nosotros, no change. Tenemos, tienen, and tienen. Venir, which means to come, is also a go verb. Vengo means I come. Tu vienes, again, goes back to the E to IE pattern. Vienes is you come. Él or ella is he or she comes. Él or ella viene is he or she comes. Nosotros, again, no change. Venimos, we come. Ustedes vienen, you all come. And ellos or ellas vienen is they come. The last stem change type is E to I. Here we have the verb servir, which means to serve. The E becomes an I for all forms except for, you guessed it, the nosotros, because the nosotros has no change. Yo sirvo means I serve. Tu sirves is you serve. Él or ella sirve, he or she serves. Nosotros, no change. Servimos, we serve. Ustedes sirven, you all serve. And ellos or ellas sirven, they serve. Very few E to I stem change verbs. Decir means to say. Pedir means to order. Repetir means to repeat. Seguir means to follow. And servir means to serve. For the last time, here's a chart. Fill it in as practice, and then we'll go over the answers together. Decir is another form of a go verb. It's digo. This time the E does become an I, and we have the go ending. Tu dices, él or ella dice. Nosotros is no change. Decimos. Ustedes dicen, and ellos or ellas dicen. Pedir is pido, which means I ask for or I order. Tu pides, él or ella pide. Nosotros, no change. Pedimos. Ustedes piden, and ellos or ellas piden. Repetir means to repeat. Notice that there are two E's in a case where we have multiple E's or multiple vowels before the infinitive verb, before the infinitive ending. We always do the stem change to the E that is closest to the infinitive ending. So in this case, it would be repito. Notice it's the E closest to the infinitive ending that got changed to an I. Tu repites is you repeat. Él or ella repite is he or she repeats. Nosotros, no change. Repetimos. Ustedes repiten. Ellos or ellas repiten. Seguir, which means to follow, becomes yo sigo. Again, a go verb. Tu sigues. Él or ella sigue. Nosotros seguimos. Again, no change on nosotros. Ustedes siguen. Ellos and ellas siguen. Servir is to serve. We did this as our example. Sirvo, sirves, sirve, servimos. Nosotros, no change. Sirven and sirven for ellos and ellas. All right, guys, I know that can be confusing, so please make sure that you watch the video a second time if you're not understanding it. And if you have questions beyond that, please make sure that you reach out and ask. I'd be happy to answer them for you.